Good afternoon, beta. Today we'll start exercise 14.2 bar graph. What is bar graph? A bar graph is another method of representing data. It has bars, that is rectangles. Bars, that is rectangles of uniform width with equal spacing between them. The bars in a bar graph can be drawn vertically or horizontally. This is bar graph. This is bar graph. Information is given with the help of bars. These are bars. Bars are rectangles. These are rectangles, na? So these are bars. Have you eaten Chocobar ice cream? Chocobar. Bar means rectangle shape. So that ice cream is in rectangle shape. So we called it Chocobar, orange bar, because all ice cream shapes are in rectangle shape, so they are called bars. Chocobar, Milky Bar, they are in rectangle shape. So these are called bars. Beta, when you draw a bar graph, please keep in your mind all bars should be of equal width, and their space between them should be equal. देखो यहाँ पर स्पेस छोड़ा गया है, फिर बार बनाया है, फिर स्पेस छोड़ा गया है, फिर बार बनाया गया है. तो विड्थ ये नहीं कि आपने कोई बार पतला बनाया है, कोई थिन है, कोई थिक है. नो, बार्स शुड बी ऑफ इक्वल विड्थ एंड देयर शुड बी ऑफ इक्वल स्पेस बिटवीन देम. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड बार ग्राफ. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस ग्राफ वी कैन गेट ऑल इंफॉर्मेशन. टाइप्स ऑफ फूड you can see dhokla. This is yellow bar is represents dhokla. How many children like dhokla? This bar is parallel to 15. It means 15 children like dhokla. Sandwich. How many children like sandwich? This pink bar represent sandwich. So how many children like sandwich? Beta, this bar is parallel to 20. So 20 children like sandwich. Prantha. How many children like pranthas? This bar represents prantha, and this is parallel to 10. Parallel to 10. You can keep scale here. So it means 10 children like prantha. Idli. Green bar represents idli. How many children like idli? This is parallel to 15. Again 15 children like idli. No food. So how many children like no food? 5 बच्चे ऐसे जिनको कोई ना ढोकला पसंद है, ना सैंडविच, ना परांठा, ना ही इडली. ओके. So beta, with the help of this graph we can get all information without knowing question. Okay. So let's do just tell me one question from this bar graph. Which food liked by most of the student? बेटा सबसे बड़ी लेंथ किसके? सैंडविच की, यानी कि सैंडविच इज द फूड दैट लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स. ओके. नाउ लेट्स डू एक्सरसाइज 14.2. वी हैव गिवन बार ग्राफ. क्वेश्चन नंबर ए, दिस बार ग्राफ यू हैव टू गिव आंसर्स बाय लुकिंग एट दिस बार ग्राफ. फर्स्ट इज द गिवन बार ग्राफ रिप्रेजेंट्स मार्क्स ऑफ टीना, नितिन, Mamta and Anmol scored in a mathematics test. Read the bar graphically. Read the bar graph carefully. Read the bar graph carefully and answer the following questions. Beta, look. When you draw a bar graph, there are two axes. This is called x-axis. This is called y-axis. X-axis, y-axis. X-axis here name of the student is given. ये पता होना चाहिए कि आप x-axis पे क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हो. यहाँ पे क्या है? नेम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट. y-axis पे मार्क्स स्कोर 0. ऑलवेज स्टार्ट स्केल फ्रॉम 0. दिस स्मॉल लाइन रिप्रेजेंट 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So Tina got marks in mathematics test. Here we have tried scale also. Marks scored in a mathematics test scale is equal to 1 unit is equal to 10 marks. 1 unit is equal to 10 marks. So Tina scored how many marks in mathematics test? Tina bar is parallel to 90. So Tina got 90 marks. Nitin, how many marks Nitin got? You can put scale like this. This bar is parallel to 100. Nitin got 100 marks. Mamta got 50 marks. It is parallel to 50. Anmol got 90 marks. Now question 1. How many marks did Nitin get? Where is Nitin? Nitin is here. So how many marks Nitin get in mathematics test? 100. How many marks? 100. Second, who scored the highest marks? Who scored the highest marks? जिसका बार सबसे बड़ा होगा, he got the highest marks. तो Nitin bar is the longest, so Nitin got the highest marks. Next, who scored the lowest marks? बेटा जिसका बार छोटा होगा, that boy or girl has scored the lowest marks. It means Mamta scored the lowest marks. Which two children got the same marks? Same. किसका बार same है? I can see blue and yellow bars are same length, are of same length. It means Tina and Anmol got the same marks. Question 5. Who got more marks? Nitin or Mamta, and how much more? Nitin and Mamta, between these two children, who got the more marks? Nitin and Mamta. Nitin got 90 marks. Mamta got 50 marks. So Nitin got highest marks. How much? 90 minus 50 is equal to 40. 90 minus 50 is equal to 40. Sorry, these are Tina marks. Sorry. Sorry, beta. Question 5, read again. Who got more marks? Nitin or Mamta? Nitin. This is Tina. Nitin got 100 marks and Mamta got 50 marks. Who got more marks? Nitin. How much? 100 minus 50 is equal to 50. 100 minus 50 is equal to 50. Nitin got highest marks. 100 minus 50 is equal to 50. 50 marks more got Nitin. Okay. Next, question number B. Here again we have given a bar graph. Look at the bar graph. In x-axis, this is x-axis. This is y-axis. X-axis, what is represent? What represent in x-axis? Days of the week. In y-axis, milk sold in liter. Start scale from 0, 50, 100, 150. Milks, this bar graph represent milk sold in a week. Scale is 1 unit is equal to 50 liter. So Monday, on Monday, milk sold on Monday, this bar is equal to 150 liter. Tuesday 200 liter, Wednesday 100 liter, Thursday 150 liter, Friday beta it is between 100 Friday 100 liter, Saturday you can put a scale to see the scale 150 liter, Sunday 50 liter. Now give answers. On which day was the most quantity of milk sold? जो बार सबसे बड़ा होगा उसी दिन सबसे ज्यादा मिल्क सोल्ड हुआ है. This is the longest bar. It means answer is Tuesday. On which day? Tuesday. Second, on which day was the least quantity of milk sold? जो बार सबसे small है that day least quantity of milk sold. It means Sunday. How much milk was sold on Saturday and Sunday together? On Saturday, how much milk is sold? 150 liter. On Sunday, 50 liter. So 150 plus 50 is equal to 200 liter. Saturday and Sunday, 150 liter plus 50 liter is equal to 200 liter milk sold. What was the quantity of milk sold during the week? Means in whole week, how much milk sold? First Monday, check on Monday. Monday milk sold 150 liter. Tuesday milk sold beta 200 liter. Wednesday again 150 liter. Thursday 100 liter. Friday 150 liter. Sorry, Friday है I think 100 liter. Yes. Saturday 150 liter, Sunday 50 liter. Now add 150 plus 200 350, 450, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Answer is 900 liter. Now you have to add milk sold in whole wheat. Now question C. The following data shows the number of students of primary classes who scored grade A in Maths Olympiad. Draw a bar graph to represent the data. Class number of students. In class 1, 120 students got grade A. In class 2, 60. In class 3, 80. In class 4, 120. In class 5, 100. So first we will find a scale. 1 unit is equal to, I am taking here 1 unit is equal to 20 students. 20 students. Because why I am taking 20? These are a gap of 20. 80, 60, 120, 100, 120. So I will take scale of 1 unit is equal to 20 students. Scored grade A in Maths Olympiad. Okay. Now first class 1, देखो, this is x axis. I am taking classes on x axis. Number of students on y axis. Always start scale by 0. 0, 20. I am taking gap of 20 because 1 unit is equal to 20 students. 0, 20, 40, 60, 80. I am adding 20 plus 20, 40, 40 plus 20, 60, 60 plus 20, 80, 80 plus 20, 100, 100 plus 20, 120. So in class 1, 120. So first I will put a scale. I will draw a rectangle parallel to 120. And you can use color also. I have shaded with pencil. In class 1, 120 students got grade A. In class 2, 60. Parallel to 60, I will draw a rectangle. In class 3, 80. Parallel to 80. In grade 3, sorry. In class 4, 120 students got grade A. In class 5, 100. But you have to make this bar graph in question C. Leave some gap, then draw a rectangle, leave some gap, then draw a rectangle, leave some gap. But a gap should be equal and all bars should be of equal width. You will not draw like this. Suppose you are drawing, don't draw like this. This is first one, this is second one, this is third one. No, width should be equal. If you are taking width, this width you have to take with same width, same width. You have to take same width, okay? Width should be equal and gap should be equal when you are drawing a bar graph. In class 1, 120, beta, in class 1 you have to show students 120. तो आप 120 के पैरेलल एक रेक्टेंगल बनाएंगे और you have to draw with scale. Don't do with free hand. Use scale. Scale से proper rectangle बनाएंगे. Then you can use color or you can give shading. Okay. So your homework is complete exercise 14.2. Bye bye. Have a nice day.